Hi everyone, my name's Leanne and I'm the assistant buyer on the cooking team at Lakeland. Here today we have the Lekue Microwave Grill, and this will revolutionise how you cook food in the microwave. So basically it can cook anything from meat to fish to vegetables, and it makes the most amazing cheese toasties. The grill has been developed by Lekue in Spain, and it's been through so much testing. And not only that, but I personally have used this daily for my lunchtime meals at work. It's so versatile, and the great thing is I'm going to show you how to make the perfect chicken and cheese toastie today. The first thing we need to do before cooking this amazing sandwich is to preheat the grill for 3 minutes, and that's really important to do before you cook anything on the grill. Remove the grill from the microwave after 3 minutes, open the straps and open the lid, place the chicken on the grill using tongs, replace the lid and the straps and pop back in the microwave for around 6 to 8 minutes. After 6 to 8 minutes, remove the grill from the microwave, remove the chicken, just make sure it's thoroughly cooked through, and then we're going to clean the grill using warm soapy water, or you can place in the dishwasher, and then dry thoroughly for the next stage. To make this amazing sandwich, we have the following ingredients. We have some peppers, some ciabatta, some fresh pesto, mozzarella, and the chicken that we've just cooked. Now don't forget, once we have our nice clean and dry grill, it needs to be preheated in the microwave for 3 minutes. Once the grill is preheated, remove it from the microwave, and we're now ready to make our amazing sandwich. Open up the straps and the lid and place the ciabatta base onto the grill. Spread the ciabatta with pesto, add red peppers, the chicken that we cooked before, and mozzarella slices. Then place on top the ciabatta. Add the lid and use the straps to secure the lid in place. Now that is a big sandwich. Place the grill in the microwave and cook for around 3 minutes.